Come join me as I make this awesome vertical incense burner. We recently started burning a lot of incense in my house, and my girlfriend has gotten on to me to make this really cool incense burner design that she saw somewhere on the internet. I'd love to give credit to the original creator, but unfortunately I can't remember where we found it. First job to do is to turn the base piece. I start out by centering up my stock on my faceplate with its frangible backing piece, and then get to turn it. This is only a scrap piece, so it's not the final part, but it turned out pretty well and I like the method, so now we're going to crack on with the real piece of stock. Now we're starting out with the real piece of stock. This is a little piece of oak board that I'm using. We start out with a hexagonal piece, and first thing we got to do is make it round, and then we can take the dish out of the middle of it. And because this is a piece of board, I'm going across the grain, and as I was cutting through the end grain, I had to get some tear out, unfortunately, which has left a bit of a blemish on the final part. I'm not too worried about it. I kind of like it. I think it adds a little bit of character to it, but yeah, definitely not a perfect finish. The bowl, on the other hand, that turned out really, really nicely. As always with turning, sanding is your friend, so a little bit of work with the sandpaper, and even I managed to come up with some passable results. With the base done, we have to start thinking about how we're going to make the arm. For that, I'm going to use some coat hanger wire and a little crocodile clip that I took out of my electronics box. To make the arm, I started out by unwrapping the coat hanger and then figuring out what kind of length I needed it to be. Next step was just to cut out the section that I needed, put a little 90-degree bend in it, and then crimp the little clip on with a set of wire crimpers. That all goes together really easy, and aside from a little dab of glue to hold everything in place, that's the whole assembly finished. Final step is to rub on some finish and add our tiny little dab of glue, and there we have it. That's it done. So there we have it, that's the project done. I'm super impressed with how this turned out. It looks great, it works great, and yeah, it's just a really cool thing. Again, I'd love to give a shout out to the original creator. If anyone knows who it is, please tag me in the comments. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.